friends, a very good evening. This is Mehboob here and I welcome all of you to this channel known as Reach and Learn the Solution. First of all, I am very sorry because I could not upload a video yesterday. I was a bit busy and so just excuse me for that. So today I am with a new topic and it is simple past tense today. Friends, let me tell you something first. I think you all know that I have a friend called Rahul. He called me yesterday, He called me yesterday. Exactly, I think it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. He called me. We talked for an hour and just both we enjoyed a lot. Friends, what I said now. Rahul called me yesterday. We talked for an hour. We enjoyed a lot, right? In these sentences, the actions calling, right? Enjoying, okay. All these are in past. So friends, in this video, I am going to talk about simple past tense today. I hope all of you have been taught simple past tense many times, but yet there are some problems. No, you feel confused. You feel confused when you are to use simple past tense in various sentences. Actually, you might have been taught many times in which you might have been told, right, the structure of simple past tense, right? But you might have not been told where to use simple past tense, right? So today in this video, I will tell you where to use simple past tense pretty clearly, and see everything, whatever confusions are there in your mind, will just get vanished, So keep watching the video till the end if you want to understand simple past tense and its uses very clearly, right? Just keep watching the video till the end. And do one more thing, if you feel that something you have learned, right, please do like the video. Just do this for me and that is enough. And also don't forget to comment, right? This is enough for me. Okay, so let's come to the point. First of all, let's know what does simple past tense mean, right? So friends, here I go with the simple past tense. Just have a look at the board, okay, and let's see what is written there. First of all, we will see what does simple past tense refer to, and what more we use while using simple past tense, and couple of examples also, okay. After which we will learn the uses. Look at this, what is written. It denotes an action or a state of being that took place before the time of speaking. It means simple past tense denote an action, right, that took place in the past. As right now I am speaking to you, right now I am speaking, and if I am speaking about an action that took place in the past, right, it is said to be in simple past tense, right? Look at this. What is there? Here is a note given. It is some adverbials we use are yesterday, last week, last month, last year, ago, recently, etc. Also, to denote past action, okay, past completed action, we use couple of adverbials in sentences. What are these? Some of them are written here, and they are yesterday we use, last week we use, last month we use, last year we use, ago we use, recently, and etc. okay, etc. There are a couple of more adverbials we can use, right? Now look at these three examples and let's try to understand, okay, how does it happen actually. Look at this. I went to Delhi yesterday, okay. See, the action of going, went, took place yesterday, and it is also completed, right? Look at the adverbial yesterday. We use it to denote past action now. So here it is used, right? The action of going to Delhi took place in the past and also it is completed, right? Next, Samir was in a hospital last week. Look at this. Was is the verb here. Action of being, it is no state of being, it is state of being. See what is written here, it denotes an action or a state of being here, a state of being, right? So was it denotes a state of being that took place in the past, right? So what is written here, Samir was in a hospital last week, right? The action of being in a hospital took place when? Last week, right? So through this we come to know that the action took place in the past and it is denoting a state of being, correct? Now see what is written in number 3. It is what? They visited the Taj Mahal. Have you visited? See, I have visited twice, right? It looks very, very beautiful. But one thing, what I observed there is that this one, I mean Taj Mahal, okay, looks beautiful not because of the monuments only, okay, not because of the monuments, but for what? Because of the people who come from different countries. You know, if you go over there, you will see this. People from different countries gather over there, which adds some more beauty to the beauty of this building, right? Taj Mahal. So it is not our subject. What is our subject? We need to look at the verb. They visited the Taj Mahal recently. The action of visiting, right, took place in the past and also completed. Look at the word adverbial recently is also used, right? So this way simple past tense we normally used in sentences to denote an action that took place in the past, right? Now in details we will learn the uses, right? There are a couple of uses we see, okay, or we apply. Let's see what are these. Please don't leave the video in the middle, right? Keep watching till the end so that you can understand it better, okay? So please keep watching. Okay friends, so I have brought 2 examples, okay, with one uses. Please look at this and just try to understand. See, uses of simple past tense. Number 1, as I said, one uses with 2 examples, right? What are these? Look at this. To denote a completed action before now. If you are to denote a completed action, okay, before now, you just need to use simple past tense. You just need to use simple past tense, right? Look at this. Keep watching, please. Number 1, it is what? Rahul sold his car yesterday. Okay, the action of selling took place yesterday and also completed, right? So it is in simple past tense. Okay, now look at this sentence. What is the structure? What is the structure of simple past tense? Let's see, we will find it out. Okay, we will find it out with the help of this sentence, and this is why I haven't mentioned on the top, right? But later on I will definitely mention it. Look at this. Number 1, this is verb, it is the action, right? It is verb here, it is subject, right? And this is what? Other words, right? It means what? Key structure. What will be the structure? Structure. What will be? Subject plus V2. It is V2, no? It is V2. Subject plus V2 plus others. In others, we can also have object, right? So this way simple past tense is used. One more example, let's have a look at this. Sumit met his friends at the bus stop, right? Sumit had a phone call, right? And he attended, he had to meet his friends. Sumit went and he met his friends at the bus stop. So it is written the action of meeting. See, the action of meeting took place in the past and also completed, right? So here the subject is Sumit Vavis met, and it is B2 form. See, B2 form, okay, B2 of the verb meet, it is met, and this one is other words, right? So this way simple past tense is used, right? It is we have seen one use of simple past tense here. Now let's go to the next use. So okay friends, here I am with the second uses of simple past tense. Let's see what is written there. Please keep watching. It is what? It is used to denote a definite point of time in the past, right? It is used to denote a definite point of time in the past, okay? And in this we use adverbials, right? Adverbials we normally use so that we can denote the definite point of time very exactly. Look at the examples which will help you to understand this better. Ramesh bought a new phone yesterday. See here the action bought, the action bought, the verb, the action of buying took place. When did it take place? It took place yesterday. See, through this word adverbial yesterday, the definite point of time, okay, has been denoted here, right? Next one is Amit went to Kolkata last week. The action of going took place, okay, took place in the past and also completed, right? And this one, last week, this phrase is denoting a definite point of time. So in this case we use simple past tense. Hope you are getting the point. Please don't forget to comment if you are getting, right? Now we will see the last use of simple past tense. It means number 3. So let's see what is there now. So friends, here I am with the last use of simple past tense. Let's see what is written there. It is used to denote a state of being, right? Remember this, state of being, okay, in the past time, right? Look at the examples. What are they? First one, I was in the class at 11 o'clock. Here the verb is what? Was. See, it is in V2 form, no? V2 form of is, I mean be verb, okay, of be verb, was it is. And this one shows state of being, state of being. It is not showing any action, right? It is showing state of being, fine. So, I was in the class at 11 o'clock. The state of being in the class took place when? At 11 o'clock and also completed, right? So it is in simple past tense. Next one, they were in the ground in the morning, right? They were in the ground in the morning. The state of being, okay, took place in the morning. The state of being took place in the morning means took place in the past, right? So this way simple past tense works in sentences, right? I have already mentioned here the structure. We use subject and then we use V2 form of the verb, then we write other words, right? Okay, the structure is mentioned here. You can note them down. You can note these examples with the uses down too, okay, and you can start practicing using simple past tenses, right? So the more you use, just remember one thing, the more you apply, you know, the more you become strong. You need to apply all this what you have learned in this video, right? So that's all for today, and as usually I say, if it seems a bit beneficial to you, please do like the video and do comment if you have some doubts to get them clear out, right? And just keep sharing with your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great time there. Bye.